Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get the Notion Black Friday subscription deals for creators and students. Well, Notion Black Friday deals for creators and students often involve significant discount on the paid plans, like 20% off, and then business with AI credits and free plus plan access for students, observers, or educators via school emails alongside potential deals on marketplace templates, while the main deals are usually tied to the annual Black Fridays or Cyber Monday window late November. Each can or creators can also access ongoing programs like the Notion of Creators for free. And students get their education plus plan year round. So check Notion's official site and then creators pages for the latest offers, including bundle deals on. As simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.